Welcome to the EdTech Tutor channel, how-to demonstrations and tutorials for technology tools in K-12 and higher education. Be sure to like and subscribe this channel and comment below. Okay, welcome to the Canvas instruction. This lesson is about creating a discussion. I've logged into the Canvas sandbox to show you I have some modules already created for different weeks with lessons and discussions. So let's go to a module. So let's click on week 1. I already have a discussion here, but we can add another discussion. So we have our modules at the top with gray. So I'm going to click the plus in the module, add discussion. So I have some sample discussions, but I want to create a new topic. So this will be Unit 1, Reflection. Don't indent, it'll just be aligned with the left side. Add item. So it has Unit 1 Reflection has a discussion icon. We need to click the green check to publish it. We can edit it, duplicate it, move, remove, send to. So let's edit it. Okay, and then we're going to click on the actual discussion to edit and add our contents. So click edit at the top, upper right. This is the section in this box with our text. We add our discussion objectives and what we want the students to accomplish with this discussion. This is a sample reflection. Please post one comment and 2 replies to the discussion board. Reflect on the lesson from this week. Choose 2 topics to review. Okay, we can bold this and make this bulleted list. And this, we can add attachments. If we want to add an attachment for reflection with documents or a picture. Allow threaded replies. Yes, we want to allow to each discussion. It can be graded. Sure. Users must post before seeing replies. So if we check this box, they have to post before they see other people's discussion. If we uncheck it, we can see the open discussion for all replies and threads. Okay, we're going to make it graded. So out of possible points, so have a rubric. So I'm going to make this 10 points because we have to do a reflection and reply. As points, it goes in assignment group, assigned to everyone. So a due date, when is this due? This will be due in 1 week, the 26th. We can make this available from a start date to an end date. So start on Monday. We can make it start on Monday and end on the due date, or we can just keep it open and click save. Okay, let's go to student view to review, make sure it's there. With all this, go to modules. So we have week 1. So I'm going to go to week 1 discussion. So we have week 1 discussion. So click next. So week 2 reflection. It's locked until March 22nd. Okay. So again, leave student view. Let's change that. So we're going to go to our modules, reflection, edit at the upper right. Let's remove this. So now if we go to student view, you can see that it's available. Okay, modules, week 1, reflection. Now as a student, I can see that what the reflection is. Okay. Leave student view. This is the EdTech Tutor channel. Thank you for watching this episode. Be sure to like and subscribe and return back for more episodes coming soon.